On March 24th, Vice President Yuan Xin of Weixin Shengjiao College invited Dr. Chen It-Liong to deliver a special lecture at the Graduate Institute of Applied I Ching at Weixin Shengjiao College. Dr. Chen spoke about narrative analysis, one of qualitative research methods for writing the thesis. Dr. Chen had a doctorate in sociocultural studies and counseling psychology from the Department of Psychology at Furen Catholic University. Now he is a history teacher at Taichung First Senior High School. Firstly, Dr. Chen asked some of the most central and important issues in writing theses and encouraged students to think and record their perspectives. These questions included why write a thesis, what is a thesis, how to write a thesis, what makes a good thesis. Through interactive learning, students wrote down their thoughts on notes and then placed them on the whiteboard. This process helps students to summarize in collective discussions difficulties and challenges they suffered of writing a thesis. Through thoughtful curriculum design, students were able to understand the difficulties others faced during their research process, but also seek solutions to problems. In the second half of this special lecture, Dr. Chen led students to read a short book review and instructed them on how to improve good skills in reading comprehension and analysis effectively. At the same time, he introduced the Golden Circle model by asking why, how, and what to help students provide in-depth analysis of the narrative. Dr. Chen's lecture encouraged students to think about the application of narrative in academic research. It also going to show the flipped education in the new generation classroom. Weixin Shengjiao College hopes to use this opportunity to drive the academic research of I Ching and Feng Shui systematically and deepen the narrative research of religious practices. After Dr. Chen gave the speech, Vice President Yuan Xin summarized the lecture. Finally, President Yang presented gifts to Dr. Chen on behalf of Weixin Shengjiao College and snapped photos with Dr. Chen and all students. Everyone was deeply inspired and enjoyed a pleasant time at the lecture. Weixin Report, Chen Yumei, Weixin Shengjiao College.